Hello guys, so today I'll be solving this problem which is 1-bit and 2-bit characters. So this problem is kind of a implementation type of problem, so we just need to do what the question is asking. Okay, so yeah, the question says that we have two special characters. Uh, so the first character we define with 0, and the second character we define it as, like, the second character can be of two types. Okay, that is 1 0 or 1 1. Okay, so yeah, so the question is basically saying that can you partition this binary array, okay, into this first character and second character in such a way that the last character will be the first character only. Okay, or so yeah, so here if you see, we have 1 0 0. Okay, so this is my array. So can I partition it? So yes, I can. Okay, so the first two I can take as my second character. Okay, and this guy I can take my first character. Okay, so yeah, this way I can partition it. Okay, then let's go through this test case. So it says 1 1 1 0. Okay, so here we have a 1. So this guy I need to partition with second character. Okay, then I have this one. Then this guy also needs to be uh, like get grouped with the next character, which is this 0, to get the second character. So yeah, we can see the last character that we are getting is a second character, it's not a first character. So yeah, here the answer will be false, we cannot partition it. Okay, so let's take a big example. Let's take 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 and 0. Yeah, so one thing the question is mentioning that the binary bits always ends with 0. Okay, so it will never be the case that we are getting a 1 here. Okay, so yeah, it will always end with 0. So yeah, let's check. So I have a 1 here, so I need to associate the next character to it to get the second character. Okay, so this is the second character. Okay, then I need to, so I will jump directly to here because this guy is associated to this guy. Okay, so yeah, now I will check. I have a 1 again, so I will check the next character. Okay, which is 0, like 0 here. So yeah, I need to group it into, like, classify into second character. So similar case here also, second character, second character. Okay, now I have a 0. Okay, so this I can classify as a first character. Okay, and yeah, after that I have 0, so all of them will be classified into first character. So yeah, now we can see that the last character that we are getting is a first character. So yeah, this case will be true, we can partition the binary array into a, like, in such a manner such that the last character is first character. So yeah, the problem is pretty simple, we just need to do what the question is asking. So yeah, what I will be, let's start with C++. So let's store the length, size. Okay, now let's have a variable which will keep on changing based on which character we are currently. Okay, so I'll say last character, let's initialize to 1. Okay, so then let's have a for loop, int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so I'll check if my bits is my 0. Okay, this means I need to classify this bit as my first character. Okay, so I will say last char is 1. Okay, else if it's 1, then I need to check whether that is, so if it's 1, so what all values the next character can have. Okay, it can have either 0 or 1. Okay, so whenever I'm receiving a 1, I just need to skip my I to the second place. So just like here, so my I was pointing to here when I was getting 1. Okay, so when I'm getting a 1, this means I need to associate the next character with this. Okay, then my eye should not go here to this guy. Okay, it should directly jump to this character. So yeah, so I'll simply check if I plus 1 is less than n. Okay, I'll do a I plus plus, as well as I will set the last character that I got is 2. Okay, then in the end I will simply do whether last character that I got is 1 or not. Okay, if I run this, yeah, all test case pass. I need to submit. Cool, it worked. Now let's do it for Golang. So same thing, let's initialize n and my last character as len of bits and 1. Okay, then I will have a for loop. So I 0, I less than n, I plus plus. In the end I just need to check whether last character is equal to 1 or not. Okay, cool. Now I will check if my bits of I is equal to 0. If it is 0, then I will update my last character 1. So I got a last character. Okay, then if it's 1, then I will have a pointer check whether I plus 1 is less than n. If it is, then I will just skip to the next iteration. Okay, and I will update my last character to 2. Okay, so why I'm just incrementing it once? Okay, why not I am doing I plus 2? Okay, because when I'm incrementing here, the for loop is again incrementing it, right? So it will automatically get to I plus 2. So yeah, that's why I plus plus here. Okay, yeah, and yeah, this is not C++, this is Golang. I need to do something like this. Okay, yeah, let's run this. All passed. Finally, let's do it for Rust. Okay, so I'll create n, I will set it to the length, then I will create a mutable variable, last character, I will set it to 1. Then I will be using a while loop, not a for loop, because in for loop the iterator that we are getting, it's a immutable variable. So yeah, I will set it to I0, then while I is less than n. Okay, I will doing I plus plus, yeah, doesn't have this, I plus equal to 1, and in the end I will just check whether the last character that I got is 1. Okay, cool. Then I will check if bits of I is equal to 0. That means I will update my last character to 1. Otherwise I will check if my I plus 1 is less than n. Then I will update my last character to 2, and I will increment my I here once. Okay, then I increment it once, then after this if else it will again increment. So I will again so I will get I plus 2. So yeah, let's run it. All test case pass. Let's submit. Should work. Cool. So yeah, the concept behind it was pretty naive. So we just need to group all the characters. So yeah, I hope you guys understood the concept behind the this question, and we just solved this problem in 3 different languages. So yeah, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. It will help me to create more videos, and yeah, it will also motivate me. So yeah, see you. Thanks.